Hello everyone, welcome back to Slits Car Care, and this week I've took a bit of a loss. Well, not really, just more for you guys than anything. We've had an issue with one of the SD cards and the cameras, and we've lost about half of the footage that we've had from the job just behind me. And it's a bit frustrating really, because this is supposed to, this is to be done this week and it's going out on this Sunday, so we've not got a lot to show you, but I'm going to try and cobble together what I can to show you guys what we've done on this Range Rover behind us. Right everyone, welcome back to another video. This week we have this beautiful Range Rover in for the Ceramic Pro Silver package, and I'm back again on the commentary as well. It got such a good reception last week and you guys seem to enjoy it, so I thought I'd carry it on again, and hopefully again in the future as well. So you can see from those previous clips, the paintwork on this Range Rover is not looking the best, so we need to find something that's going to cut through the majority of the defects, but also finish down, which softer Range Rover paint can be difficult to do sometimes, but we found the Roots Yellow Pad and Menzerna Medium Cut, I think it's 2500, seem to deliver a really, really nice finish. Already you can see the difference in the finish on the paintwork. It's now looking much more factory fresh, and the depth of colour is definitely brought straight back, so it's easy to do with the right products and the right machinery and know-how. So let's get on with the rest of the car. So the hybrid 1-inch polisher coming in handy there, just to get into those intricate areas on the wings, around the grills and on the panel edges too. So this Range Rover has a lot more textured plastic than what we used to see on these cars, so obviously we want to try and keep these looking as good as we can, especially before we coat them, so masking them off is key. A lot of people ask us why we have so many polishers, but the thing is you can't keep just one polisher for every job. There's 5-inch sections on each car, there's 3-inch sections, 1-inch sections, 2-inch sections, and sometimes we even draw for the rotary. So this is why we have 7 or 8 different machine polishers with different orbits for all different purposes around the car. So finally, this is a little 50-50 on the boot. As you can see, it's not perfect. There is some deeper marks still in there, but the difference we've made is huge. So unfortunately, this is where our footage cut short. So we've missed out on so much of the work that we've done on this lovely, lovely Range Rover. So I'm going to try and do some outro shots still. I'll try and do those now. But also, I want you guys to come and take a look at this. So you may have completely forgotten about this car. This is our 1.8 turbo converted Seat Rosa track car, which is now back from mapping. It's been on for 4 months. And when I say back from mapping, it's not, if that makes any sense. But I'll come back to that in another video. We've got our new headlights fitted, got a few other little bits done and some tweaking. It's got to go off to Mallory Performance very soon to have some more work done. And then hopefully it'll be a driving, functioning car. So that I'm very excited about. Also as well, you may have remembered in one of our other videos, we mentioned about having some landscaping work done. That is also now complete. So this area is looking much cleaner in fitting with, everything else. So yeah, very happy with that too. But anyway, let's try and cobble together something for you guys to watch. I'm going to do some outro shots now for you on the Range Rover. Apologies about the wheels that we've got stuck here. They're just kind of there. So yeah, let's get those done. Apologies, this video hasn't been the most amazing, but subscribe, like the video still, show us some support. I'd love to put something else out for you, but I haven't got anything else in the bank to put out. So I'm going to try and make this work as best as I can. And we shall catch you next week, Sunday at 6 PM, and we shall hopefully have something a little bit better and maybe a bit better produced. I've got a new SD card on the way, so hopefully we won't have this issue anymore. I'll catch you then.